In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do a t-test in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet. You can use a new blank spreadsheet or one that already contains your data. A t-test is used when you want to compare two sets of numbers and check whether the difference between them is statistically meaningful. In Google Sheets, the function you will use returns a p-value, which is the probability associated with the t-test result. Click into an empty cell where you want the output to appear. Then type t.test. As you type, Google Sheets will show a helper menu with function suggestions. In that list, click the option that says it returns the probability associated with a t-test. This is important because it confirms you are selecting the correct built-in function, and it will also help you with the exact argument order. Now you will see the t.test function appear, ready for you to fill in its inputs. Click back into the formula area or the cell where you are entering the function, so you can continue typing. Enter the formula in this format, equals t.test, then open parentheses, then range 1, a comma, range 2, a comma, tails, a comma, and type, and then close parentheses. For range 1 and range 2, select the two groups of numbers you want to compare, like 2 columns or 2 rows of measurements. Make sure each range contains only numeric values, and try to keep the ranges consistent, meaning they represent the same kind of measurement and are not mixed with headers or blanks. For tails, enter 1 if you are testing in one direction, or 2 if you want a two-tailed test, which is common when you are checking for any difference in either direction. For type, enter 1 for a paired test, 2 for a two-sample test with equal variance, or 3 for a two-sample test with unequal variance. Press enter to calculate the result. The number you see is the p-value. In many basic analyses, a p-value less than 0.05 is treated as evidence of a statistically significant difference between the two datasets. And that is all there is to it.